How to get lucky points in Pop Mart. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you can buy blind boxes. Every time you buy a blind box, especially through the app or in store while logged in, you will earn lucky points. Scan after purchase. If you bought in store, you want to scan the receipt, QR code or box with the app to log your purchase and get points. You can also participate in events. You want to join official Pop Mart events or campaigns. Sometimes they give bonus lucky points. Link your account. Make sure your Pop Mart card or account is linked. If it's not linked, you will not get points. Daily check-ins. Some versions of the app have a daily check-in feature. You want to tap it daily to get a few lucky points. Open boxes in app. If you open blind boxes in the app, digital collection, you also earn lucky points. And the last thing that I can suggest doing is watching out for promos. Pop Mart sometimes runs special promotions where you can earn double points or bonus points. You want to keep an eye on the banners. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.